Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full face of black owned beauty brands makeup. I'm obsessed. I ended up using the mini Juvia's Place palette, so it's the violet one. I have tons of her palettes. I went and I bought so many of them. I will be doing tons of different looks. I kind of wanted to mimic my backdrop. Purple is one of those shades that make you look so exotic. I don't know what it is. This video is gonna be a voiceover. Now, I share my studio with my boyfriend, so he was actually in the room with me. He went downstairs so I could film my intro really quick right now. But yeah, I'm still too shy to talk in front of him, so I'm gonna make this a voiceover. I just wanted to make sure to get this video filmed for you guys, so I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna get into this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so we're gonna start off by having some water. You guys know it is way too hot out here to be dehydrated. And let's get into the tutorial. So first I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I'm actually gonna use this as my eyeshadow base today. This stuff is so full coverage, guys. I fell in love with it this day, so this is a really good one. Then I'm gonna take the Beauty Bakery Flour Translucent Powder. It literally came in a mini flour bag. Like, how cute is that? They have adorable packaging. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to set my concealer in place for eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna grab the mini Violet palette by Juvia's Place. So gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and take that light matte lavender shade, and I'm gonna begin to work this in my crease. So with pastel shades like this, you want to make sure to keep building up the color to get the intensity you want. I do want this color to show up pretty well, so I'm going to continue to blend windshield wiper motions, circular motions, and that's going to give me a super seamless finish. So then I'm going to take this really pretty light kind of duochrome shade, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my brush, and then I'm going to begin to pack this on the lid. This color is so gorgeous. It literally had like reflex of blue and purple, and it was just stunning. Then I'm going to take that dark matte violet color, and I'm going to begin to work it in my outer V. So what I like to do when I'm working with darker shades is I just pat it on the outer V of the eye, and then I lightly go ahead and work it into the crease. I don't bring it all the way in though. I didn't really want this to be a smoky eye, just more of a kind of blown out, really pastel-y kind of eye. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and reapply some of that duochrome shadow because we lost it in the blending. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my eyeshadow. So I didn't have any black owned liner or lashes, so I went ahead and popped that on off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Ooh, that's a mouthful. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on the center of the skin and blend it out. Alright, so now going in with foundation, I'm using the Instabake Aqua Glass from Beauty Bakery. This foundation is so gorgeous, guys. It's definitely one of my new favorite obsessions. It's full coverage. It literally stands by the name. It looks like glass on the skin. The color was on point. It felt so comfortable. I think next time I'm gonna use it with more of a like blurring poreless primer just because I happen to have some texture on the skin. So I think it'll look even better with like my e.l.f. Pore Putty, you know, but so gorgeous. So then I'm going to take the Black Radiance color corrector, and I'm going to go ahead and work this under my eyes. I always make sure to color correct because y'all know I got those dark circles. And then I'm going to go back in with those Juvia's Place concealers. I have two shades in this, so a darker shade plus a lighter shade. One to highlight, one to conceal. Y'all know the drill. So then I'm going to go back in with that translucent powder, and on a big fluffy brush I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes. So I'm going to do this first to prevent any creasing from happening, and then I'm going to take some of that powder on a sponge and begin to lightly bake under the eyes. So I really like to do this, especially when I'm, you know, doing colorful eyeshadow, just to really brighten up the center of the skin and make it pop. Next, I'm going to take this Neapolitan bar from Beauty Bakery. It's literally shaped like an ice cream sandwich. Again, amazing packaging. I'm going to take the bronzer shade in the palette and begin to warm up the skin. So I'm just focusing on the temples, the cheekbones, I'm gonna snatch up the nose a little bit, you know, we got a contour. And then you're gonna see me go back in with that translucent powder. And I'm gonna take this kind of like dense rectangular shaped brush and I'm going to clean up under my contour. And I like to do this because it gives me a nice defined cheekbone, you know? Next, I'm gonna take my new favorite blush. This is Serafina blush from Juvia's Place. It's this gorgeous, again, peachy, corally shade. It has like a satin finish, so it blends out so beautifully. I love to use kind of more peachy colors with purple eyeshadow. I just think it looks a little more natural rather than going in with pink. I feel like pink and purple eyes can look a little bit too Barbie-ish, you know? So then I just went ahead and took this pastel lavender eyeliner and ran it through my waterline. I just felt like this look absolutely called for this liner. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that dark violet shade that I used in my crease, and I'm going to take a small smudge brush and smudge that under my lash line. I'm basically doing what I did to the top to the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with that light matte lavender shade. You really want to take your time with your bottom lash line because the more you blend it, the prettier it looks. So then I'm taking the highlight shade from that Napolitan palette and I'm going to go ahead and pop it on the inner corners of my eyes and the high points of my face. This highlight was gorgeous. It literally looks like silk on the skin. It's so pretty. Alright, so then I went back in with my blush shade and I popped it on the crease a little bit over the lavender color that we first set down, and I also ran it on my lash line. So I wanted to kind of connect my eyes with my face colors. I just think it looks so pretty and kind of monochromatic, so I just went ahead and did that. And then I took this Straight Lovin' lip liner from the Lip Bar. I got this at Target. Such a gorgeous color. I'm gonna go ahead and begin to line my lips. So the way I always line my lips, I just go ahead and kind of lift the cupid's bow and I lift the bottom of the center of my lip and I connect it to my natural lip line. Then I like to take some foundation or concealer on like a really dense rectangular brush like this, and I like to clean up around my lip line. So this just makes it look super crisp and pretty, and especially if you're overlining your lips, this can really help to make it look as natural as possible. So now I'm gonna go in with the Colored Rain Satin Cream Liquid Lip. This is so gorgeous. It's like a nudie mauve shade. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this as the base of my lip color. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of lip balm because I'm going to take that Juvia's Place concealer, add one dot to my lip, and create a muted nudie lip color. So this is a great trick for any of you who have like a lipstick and you maybe want to do like an ombre effect. You can actually take your concealer and use it as a lip color. I do recommend that you apply some sort of base under the lip so that it doesn't feel too dry and matte throughout the day. So again, trick you want to do with this is you want to make sure to redefine that lip liner and create kind of like an ombre effect so it looks super natural. But yeah, this is one of my favorite little tricks to do, so I love it. Alright, so then I'm just going to go ahead and coat my lower lashes with mascara, and this will complete the look. Okay guys, so that was the completed look. If you guys have any color requests, let me know in a comment below and I'll go ahead and create a tutorial for you guys. If you guys have any videos you want to see next, definitely, again, leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.